Picture this. You could build a strong, toned body without ever stepping into a gym. No machines, no fancy equipment, just your own body weight. Sounds crazy, right? Stick around till the end of this video because I'm about to show you 7 powerful exercises that can reshape your body and skyrocket your fitness in just a month, all from home. And trust me, you don't want to miss the last move. It's a total game changer that builds muscle and burns fat at the same time. Ready to level up your fitness? Let's dive in. First on the list, squats. This move is a true powerhouse when it comes to building strength, boosting flexibility, and torching fat. If you want one simple exercise that delivers insane results, squats are it. Most people think they only work your legs. Wrong. They're a full body workout in disguise. Sure, your quads, hamstrings, and glutes do the heavy lifting, but your core is firing the entire time to stabilize your body. Even your back, shoulders, and traps jump in when you keep perfect form. With just one move, you're burning calories, building muscle, and activating nearly every major muscle group. Here's the thing, we sit way too much these days. All that sitting tightens your muscles and messes up your mobility. Squats are like the antidote. They push your hips through a deep range of motion, stretch out your hamstrings and lower back, and even work your ankle flexibility. Over time, everything from walking to bending feels smoother, easier, and more natural. Plus, better mobility means fewer injuries in your daily life. Want to burn fat faster? Squats are your secret weapon. Because they hit big muscle groups like your glutes and quads, they rev up your metabolism like crazy. More muscle means more calories burned, even when you're just sitting on the couch. This makes squats an absolute fat-burning machine without endless hours of cardio. A strong core isn't just about having abs, it's about stability and balance. Every squat engages your core to protect your spine and keep your body aligned. That means less lower back pain, better posture, and a body that just feels stronger and more in control. Go deep in your squats and you'll also strengthen the muscles that support your spine, making you stand taller and straighter over time. Squats are what we call functional fitness. They mimic the movements you do every single day. Sitting down, standing up, lifting things, bending over. Add squats to your routine and suddenly those everyday tasks feel easier. Your body becomes more capable, resilient, and ready for whatever life throws your way. But that's not all. Squats also supercharge your athletic performance. They boost your speed, power, and agility by training those fast twitch muscle fibers you need for explosive movements. So here's a common question. Can you really do squats every day? The quick answer? Yes, absolutely, you can squat daily. How to do a bodyweight squat the right way. Start with your feet about shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider, with your toes turned slightly outward. Brace your core, keep it tight to protect your spine. Push your hips back like you're about to sit in a chair, and let your knees bend naturally, following the direction of your toes. Lower down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or lower if it feels good. Drive back up through your heels, this fires up your glutes and hamstrings. Finish by straightening your hips and knees together at the top. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you push up. This gives your body more power and stability. Now let's talk about planks, another full body gem even though they're known for targeting the core. Here's what planks work. 1. Core muscles. Your rectus abdominis, the six-pack, transverse abdominis, the deep core layer, and obliques all fire up to stabilize your body and protect your spine. 2. Shoulders and arms. Your shoulders, triceps, and chest muscles stay active to hold you in position. The deltoids keep the shoulders steady, while the triceps lock the arms in place. 3. Back muscles. The erector spinae and rhomboids along your spine engage to keep your back strong and stable. 4. Lower body. Your quads and glutes are on too, helping you hold proper alignment and a neutral spine. In short, planks hit nearly every major muscle group, making them one of the most efficient exercises you can do. The benefits? A rock-solid core that supports everything from walking to lifting. Better posture and spine protection, improved balance and overall athletic performance, a tighter, leaner midsection as your abs firm up over time. And since muscle burns more calories than fat, even when you're resting, planks give your metabolism a boost. Doing planks on a regular basis engages multiple muscle groups at once, which slightly boosts your metabolism and helps your body burn more calories throughout the day. A simple 1-minute plank, especially when combined with a balanced diet and other exercises, can support weight loss or make it easier to maintain your current weight. Holding a plank also requires a good amount of energy, which raises your heart rate slightly and further improves your metabolism over time. As your muscles get stronger, your body becomes more efficient at burning calories, even while you're at rest. Planks are also incredible for improving balance and coordination. To hold the position, your core must remain tight and stable, forcing your body to prevent wobbling or sagging. This constant stabilization improves proprioception, your body's sense of where it is in space. Advanced plank variations, such as side planks or single-leg planks, challenge your balance even more and help sharpen coordination. These improvements carry over into other activities like running, yoga, or sports, and they can significantly reduce the risk of falls or injuries. If you suffer from lower back pain, planks can be a game changer. Weak core muscles often force the lower back to overcompensate during movement, leading to strain and discomfort. By strengthening the core, planks reduce this stress and help ease or even prevent pain. They also target the muscles around the spine, improving stability and alignment. Because they are low impact and require no equipment, planks are often recommended in physical therapy for people dealing with chronic back pain. When performed with correct form, they strengthen the muscles that stabilize the lower back, resulting in better spine health over time. Good posture is another major benefit of planking. This exercise strengthens the core, shoulders, and back muscles that are responsible for keeping your body upright. As these muscles develop, maintaining proper posture becomes effortless, which reduces the strain on your spine and joints, especially if you sit or stand for long periods. Improved posture also allows for better breathing and circulation by keeping the chest open and the diaphragm working efficiently. Over time, this leads to a naturally aligned posture that reduces slouching and enhances your overall appearance. Although planks aren't typically considered a flexibility exercise, they do help increase flexibility, particularly in the posterior chain, the muscles along the back of your body. Engaging multiple muscle groups increases blood flow, and the deep breathing that comes with holding a plank helps reduce stress hormones that contribute to high blood pressure. Regular planking, combined with other forms of physical activity, is linked to better heart health and reduced hypertension. To perform a plank with proper form, start by lying face down on the floor. Lift your body onto your forearms and toes, ensuring that your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders and your arms are parallel to each other. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, avoiding any arching of the back or sagging of the hips. Your neck should stay in a neutral position with your gaze slightly ahead of your hands. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine to protect your lower back, and hold the position as long as you can with good form. When performing a plank, your core should feel tight and solid. Make sure your glutes and legs are engaged, and avoid letting your hips drop or rise too high. Focus on deep, controlled breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth while holding the plank. This keeps you focused and ensures your muscles get enough oxygen. Never hold your breath, as this can increase abdominal pressure and restrict blood flow. Start by holding the plank for 20 to 30 seconds, gradually increasing the duration as your strength and endurance improve. Now let's talk push-ups. Push-ups primarily target the pectoralis major, the large fan-shaped chest muscle, and the pectoralis minor, the smaller triangular muscle underneath. Regular push-ups sculpt and strengthen these muscles, while also working the triceps and shoulders as they engage to lift your body with each rep. Push-ups do more than build upper body strength. They also enhance core stability. Throughout the movement, your core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, front abs, obliques, sides, and transverse abdominis, deep core, stay activated to maintain a straight line from head to heels. A strong, engaged core during push-ups helps protect your lower back by distributing the load correctly. When core muscles are weak or inactive, the lower back takes unnecessary pressure, which can lead to pain or discomfort. Strengthening your core and upper body through push-ups also improves posture. The plank position required for proper push-ups engages the abs and lower back, helping to correct poor posture, especially if you tend to slouch while sitting. Over time, consistent push-ups build a firm, well-defined upper body while supporting a tall, aligned stance. Push-up variations allow you to target different muscles and increase intensity. Adjusting your hand placement, doing incline or decline push-ups, or adding extra weight keeps your body challenged and progressing. The controlled movement of push-ups strengthens the muscles and ligaments around your joints, improving stability and reducing the risk of injuries. With better joint mobility, you gain a fuller range of motion and improved flexibility. Regular push-ups also promote joint lubrication, which helps prevent friction and long-term wear, protecting against age-related degeneration. Another benefit of push-ups is improved bone health. The mechanical load placed on your bones during this exercise helps increase bone strength and density. This is key for maintaining bone mass and preventing osteoporosis as you age. Push-ups also boost balance and body awareness, or proprioception, since your core works hard to stabilize you as you lower and press back up. Because they're a compound movement involving multiple joints and muscles, push-ups naturally elevate your heart rate, increasing calorie burn and boosting your metabolism. Interestingly, research has found a strong link between push-up capacity and heart health. One study showed that middle-aged men who could complete more than 40 push-ups had a much lower risk of cardiovascular disease over a 10-year period compared to those who could do fewer than 10. This highlights just how powerful this simple exercise can be for both strength and overall health. The strength and stability you gain from push-ups translate into better performance across many sports and physical activities. Upper body strength is essential for movements like swinging, lifting, or throwing, and push-ups build the chest, shoulders, and arms that drive these actions. Since the chest muscles play a major role in both push-ups and bench presses, strengthening them with push-ups can even improve your bench press performance. Beyond the physical benefits, completing sets of push-ups provides a sense of accomplishment that boosts mental health and self-confidence. Push-ups trigger the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood enhancers, leaving you feeling happier and less stressed. Even short, consistent sessions of exercise contribute to overall well-being. Plus, focusing on proper form, breathing, and muscle engagement during push-ups encourages mindfulness, helping you feel present and connected with your body. This mind-body connection is linked to better mental clarity and reduced anxiety. There are countless push-up variations to target different muscles and match any fitness level. Incline push-ups, where your hands are elevated, are great for hitting the upper chest and are easier for beginners. Diamond push-ups, with your hands forming a diamond shape, emphasize the triceps and inner chest. Decline push-ups, with feet elevated, challenge the shoulders and upper chest, while clap push-ups test explosive strength and power. Now, how to do push-ups with proper form? Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body straight from head to heels and engage your core to maintain stability. Inhale as you bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the floor, aiming for about a 90-degree angle at the elbows. Go as low as you comfortably can, then exhale as you push through your palms to return to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Keep your abs and glutes tight the entire time to protect your lower back. That's just the beginning. We've knocked out 3 powerful moves: squats to build your base, planks to lock in your core, and push-ups to challenge your upper body. But don't think that's all. We've still got 4 more game-changing exercises that complete the full picture, and they're coming in part 2, dropping tomorrow. These next moves will target the muscles most people ignore, the ones that make all the difference in how you move, feel, and perform as you age. So if you're serious about building lasting strength and staying sharp, make sure you subscribe right now and hit that notification bell. Part 2 is coming up, and it's the one that brings everything together. Thanks Thanks for watching, and stay ready.